Number 21. Tenia coli are found in which one of the following areas of GI tract? Option C, colon. 22. The posterior boundary of the epipolliforamen is formed by which one of the following structure? Option C, inferior vena cava. 23. Greater momentum is attached which one of the following structure? Option D, greater curvature. 24. Which one of the following structure is responsible to form the posterior wall of the rectus sheath below the arcuate line? Option D. Posterior lamina of internal oblique. 25. Which one of the following ligament of liver is derived from a vessel? Is option B. Ligamentum venosum. Option 26. Which one of the following direction is the most common presentation of appendix? Option D. Pelvic. 27. The main pancreatic duct start from ROM which one of the following parts of the pancreas? Option B. Tail. Which one of the following structure takes blood supply from both superior and inferior mesenteric artery? Option C. Descending colon. 29. Which one of the following is wrinkled with pigmentation and form a single pouch? Option C is skin. Which one of the following values in meter measurement of epididymis? Option C 6 meter. Which one of the following structure is secondarily retroperitoneal? Option C kidney. Which one of the following veins used to form portal vein? Option E sylphanic and superior mesenteric. Which one of the following are the terminal branch of the aorta? Option C common iliac. Which one of the following ligament of liver is derived from a vessel? Ligamentum venosum. Bare area of the liver in contact with which one of the following structure? Option D diaphragm. 36. Spleen is located in which one of the following regions of abdomen? Option C left hypochondrium. 37. The laser sac is directly continuous with which one of the following races or species? Number C hepatorenal races. The blood from suprarenal gland and drains into which one of the following veins? Option A left renal. The liver receives 80% of its blood from which one of the following source? Portal vein. Option C. Which one of the following structures are in contact with the visceral surface of spleen? Option E left kidney. Which one of the following structure is present in the C-shaped part of duodenum? Option A pancreas head. Tenia coli are found in which one of the following areas of GI tract? Option D colon. Which one of the following ligament is present on ventral surface of liver? Falciform. Option A. Fundus of stomach drains into which one of the following lymph nodes? Option D celiac. Which one of the following layers of anterior abdominal wall has a deep inguinal ring? Fascia transversalis. Option E. The main pancreatic duct start forming from which one of the following parts of the pancreas? Option C tail. The posterior boundary of the epipolliforamen is formed by which one of the following structure? Inferior vena cava. Option A. Which one of the following structure lies in the gastrosphenic ligament? Option A short gastric arteries. Which one of the following structure passes through the inguinal canal in female? Round ligament of uterus. Option A. The aponeuros of which one of the muscles split to make two septa for rectus sheath? Option D transverse abdomen.